Hi guys, need to show you this project. They poured concrete for 8-volt bases, there's foundation there. Okay guys. Here they did form work and poured concrete for this island. You can see form work. Good form here, nice and smooth, and they did like 6 inches curb joint. They did joint when same time when they poured concrete. Like, no, it's better than came next day to do saw cut joint. I prefer this kind of joint. And the same time when they poured concrete. Okay, they just need to put insulation around it. Okay guys, here you can see they installed the glass for bronze aluminum windows. Okay, they are ready to do the finish work. All that curb, you can see they put like 1x4 there, so it will be ready, done with the electrical work, the MC work. Okay, started here to put the edge, the trim edge at the border, so it will be ready for finish. So, you can see everything is good to go. Okay, here they finished with that, like finish wood, exterior wood. You can see it's still there. This one, it's came one piece here and another piece here, so they will tie here the screw and then another piece will come here. That's how it looks like. You can see they installed the edge first and then they finished installing that finish. It's a plastic but like wood finish. I like it, it's good. Okay, also they finish here that corner. They poured concrete for sidewalk here, cover it with a blanket and make it wet. Put caution tape around it when they poured concrete. HDP pipe 8 inches ready with the elbow for like roof drain system, conduit, electrical panels. Everything is good to go. So everything is covered. I uploaded some videos about this project. You can check last week. Here, grading work is done and backfill of the stone. Everything is ready for parking lot around building. Hey guys, you can see concrete for transformer, electric transformer. Everything is done. TPO roofing, driveway, good wet curing. They didn't finish inside, still working to finish. Will be ready for pour concrete for slab. So you can see all the plumbing work. Step up here, drain. You can see drain, they cover it with cardboard and tape. So when they will pour concrete, the concrete will not go inside and block it. You can see they compacted the stone. They compacted after they installed the plumbing. Okay, they will put like 57 stone. Okay, again you can see how all the drain covered. Insulation electrical work, all the work above ceiling is done. Okay, so they are ready to pour concrete for slab. Here you can see insulation here between wall and slab, and here R19. There's still glass. Everything is wet. Pour concrete for light pole bases. You can see here using sonotube. Here will be dumpster. So you can see they install the column and the bollard board, steel 6 inches. And here they pour like footers, and there's a rebar step up, but everything is good to go. You can see here we have a gate here and gate here, and that's the steel, and then will be like mason work there. So that's for dumpster pad. Okay, then that is the footing. When they will done, they'll pour concrete slab with positive slope this way. Here pour footers for light pole bases. You know, sometimes they just pour like this, but here in this project, footers and then step up. Same thing here. So that's how they did. They pour footers and step up rebar, and then put sonotube on top of footers. You can do it both way. Like you can just put sonotube down, like 5 foot down, and then rebar long. But they decided to do like dowels, footers with dowels, and then another rebar. Same like what they did here. Each project is different design, but all of them will be work. You can see here. So they put things here, and then rebar up, and then overlap, put another rebar. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys. Bye.